Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariane and I'm a luxury travel advisor. We started our day by having breakfast in the Fairmont Gold Lounge of the Banff Springs Hotel before packing and checking out. I had the assorted pastries to start with a cappuccino and grapefruit juice, followed by scrambled eggs, hash browns, and the applewood smoked bacon. I booked us a transfer from the Fairmont Banff Springs Hotel to the Calgary Airport with Banff Airporter. It was a Mercedes Sprinter van that was very clean and comfortable for the 2-hour journey. We even saw some elk as we were leaving Banff. So we are all checked in for our flight. First flight in 19 months. Very excited to get going. We're now on our way to the brand new WestJet Elevation Lounge. So we're gonna check that out. We'll see you guys there. I had included access to the WestJet Elevation Lounge with the Priority Pass Lounge program through my credit card. The WestJet Elevation Lounge just opened in 2020 and is a beautiful lounge in Terminal B of the Calgary Airport. Once you find a seat, you'll find a QR code to launch the menu for your specific seat or table. They were still doing seated plated service at the time of my visit. You simply place an order for food and drinks through the app and it arrives to your table quite quickly. There are plenty of choices available for alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. I ordered their signature drink called the WestJet Elevation Cocktail. It was a pretty blue teal color to match WestJet's branding colors and it tasted really good. The menu also changes with the seasons. As it was the Calgary Stampede, they featured a barbecue brisket dish, which was really good. We finished off our lunch with mini donuts with a caramel dulce de leche sauce, and my grandmother had ice cream. The WestJet Elevation Lounge also features 2 beautiful marble showers which can be booked if you need to refresh. The showers featured a stunning rainfall shower head, WestJet monogram towels, and bath amenities by the Rocky Mountain Soap Company. If you're ever in the Calgary Airport, I highly recommend the WestJet Elevation Lounge. The food was delicious and we enjoyed plenty of snacks and a few drinks during our 3-hour lounge visit. I look forward to them opening up other lounges like this one across Canada in the future. It was then time to head to our gate and board our 737 MAX 8 with Air Canada bound for Vancouver. Masks were required to be worn throughout the flight, and Air Canada is still providing Clean Care Plus kits to passengers if you wish to have one. Shortly after, we pushed back and began our journey home to Vancouver.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless.
I hope you enjoyed this episode highlighting my journey home from Banff to Vancouver. Be sure to subscribe, hitting the subscribe button down below. It does help support my channel. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks again so much for watching, and see you again next week.